Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got all of Disney Blu-ray and DVD. Hey, unboxing. And this time we're going to be doing Wish, which is the most recent Disney movie, both of recently in theaters after a while. And now it's the most recent Disney movie on physical media. And it also has a digital code if you want to do it, and that's the thing that I like about our physical media version of Wish here, is because this is a movie that has a digital code, and it's kind of silly. Hey, most physical media stuff don't have a digital code nowadays. It's whether they release a movie onto physical media. And right here, it says Bring Home the Magic. And literally just got this at Walmart recently. Today. And here's the back of the case. Also has some bonus features and scenes from the movie. And I also like Star and Valentino in the movie because they're pretty cute. And also kind of funny that in Valentino, when he started talking, he said, "Who knew my voice would be so low?" And also kind of funny that the king here, which is the bad guy of the movie, said he is the most handsome king that Usher's home knows. Which is kind of funny because that's what some egotistic people in TV shows and movies are alike. Again, now it's take a plastic off of the movie and take a look at the Blu-ray and DVD. And now let's take a look at the Blu-ray and DVD that comes in here. And this is what they look like for the movie. If you want to watch it on physical, here we got the DVD here on the left and the Blu-ray on the right. And then took out the digital code because I don't want to show it on the video here because I might put this on to my iPad and phone to watch. And that's about it for today's Disney Wish Blu-ray and DVD unboxing. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to our channel, press that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of when new videos upload to the channel. I got more episode reactions coming to the channel soon. I got some of them edited down already, so they're ready to be uploaded and coming very soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.